Y'all, this stuff is great, right? It's pretty good, Adeline? The spray?
It's getting serious on the side.
Scrub it. I'm gonna put a before and after picture, but
Call me Lila, okay?
Lila is doing a great job. Y'all, this Folex spray, it's actually pretty good. As y'all can see, this car right here, look, it has so much hair and dirt. It was nasty, but we're trying to get the cigarette smell out. Somebody definitely smoked in it. As you can see here, some burn holes. But yeah, we're trying to get this thing ready and we'll see. We're also gonna do the headlights. They were yellow and Adeline sanded them down earlier. Oh, Lila sanded them down. And yeah, we're gonna work on that too.
After you clean the seats, you clean the windows and the doors with this kind of spray to get the cigarette smell out.
And guys, if you're using a different cleaner, like an all-purpose, well, not an all-purpose one, but something stronger, make sure to roll down the windows before you spray it. We're actually using this right here. So this is gonna, I mean, it's for everything, glass, everything.
Hi, keep watching till the end because we're gonna fix those disgusting headlights. These ugly headlights.
Car's coming out really nice. Doing the dash, getting it all cleaned up.
Here's my side that I cleaned. And the other side right here.
Some things you vacuumed also.
And I vacuumed. Wait. No. Well, oh yeah, over here. This one. Okay. This one. And this one. I'll tell you the ones that's the goodest.
Come on, baby.
Bye. You want to use this on the pad to rub on my headlights. Okay, look at the difference of this one to this clean one. The ugly one to the clean one. I'll come do yours for $10. So, we're gonna clean the car. He's gonna clean the car, and I'm gonna go inside to make a present. And make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, bye.
Got both the headlights done now. Yeah, my helper left, but this little Aveo only has 90,000 miles. Runs perfect, brand new tires. It's gonna be a good one for my buy here, pay here inventory. The interior definitely looks way better than before. Carpet, not completely done, but way better.